Hello there everyone, welcome back for another video on Finance to Freedom. It is currently Sunday. I hope everyone is having a fantastic weekend so far. You know how it goes. Drop a comment down below and let me know about what did you do during the weekend so far. It is currently 7 p.m. UK time, and I just want to bring some news that I found out that they were posted 4 hours ago, and a few information on my technical analysis about XRP and where do I see it going. Also, yesterday, I apologize, guys. I forgot to put the information about BBAI that I said that I will do, and this is another reason that I'm coming on another video. So let's dive into the main screen. As you can see, I have already have on my screen the technical analysis for XRP. Now I want to show you a few things on Discord. This is the personal trades investments, and I have the XRP chart that you will see that at 6 p.m. almost yesterday, UK time again, I posted a screenshot of my technical analysis to actually share the information with my members. And also I wanted to point out two special members from my Discord server. I want to thank you so much, guys. You know who you are. I'm gonna bring you on a video as well. We have a schedule about it. We have scheduled it, so they're gonna come in on a podcast and they can talk about themselves and maybe share a few opinions about the server as well. So I want to thank these two special members that they have pushed me a lot, and I haven't made it easy for them, guys. Honestly, I want to say that I really do appreciate you, and I really appreciate every single one of you that you have watched the videos and the future people that they are gonna come in aboard. So much appreciate all of you guys. And another member as well, which is my friend. He has supported me for over 2 years, and it's been a really tough journey. So he stuck by me, and I really do appreciate it. And as I said, I do appreciate all of you guys. So let's go back into the technical analysis. So I posted that at 6 p.m. Yesterday, and I said this is the daily chart, and we can see that XRP is trading between 2.73 as support level, and that I'm anticipating the 2.73 and the 302 as resistance level, as we can see. Now I'm not gonna show you this one because I've already have it on the Google. So I'm gonna share you this, and also I specifically mentioned that I'm expecting even the 2.60 support level with a question mark, and I answered it straight away and I said yes if it breaks below the 2.73. I want to point that out because as I continue the sentence, if we only retest the 2.73 and head back up, I'm expecting back the 2.94 and the $3.02. So I'm going to jump back again on this. As you can see, I have not changed any single support level, any single resistance. I'm just monitoring it, how it moves. And we can see basically for 2 straight days, including today, we basically went to 2.72, but yes, we did break the support level which is 2.73, and we broke it for only 1 cent, but it didn't stay. On the yesterday YouTube video that I made, I said that am I expecting it? Yes, but if it's only a retest, then I'm expecting it to bounce back again, and so it did. So this is about the technical analysis that I did yesterday. It paid off. As you can see, I'm always going to come on with another video because I do believe that I will continue provide the information due to my opinion and due to my perspective. If I'm wrong, I'll accept it and we move forward. It's all about growing up together. Growing, actually. It's all about growing together. Sorry, mistake for the expression. So as you can see, we are currently at $2.90. Am I expecting to break above the 2.94, which is the resistance level? Yes, but if it doesn't, I'm expecting the XRP to be trading between 2.73 and 2.94. It makes sense that it's a second retest on the 2.73. We might have a third one and then bounce back again. So far it looks bullish, and why I'm saying that, it's here you can see on my eToro account that I'm using it as a trading platform so far, and my Robinhood I'm using it as a long-term investment. So as we can see, it broke a little bit here. Now I'm waiting to see how it's going to be moving for the next hour. This is the 1 minute chart. So as we can see, this is from 3:30 p.m. and as we can see, it has been up, right? So we can see here 22, almost 22 2 a.m. we have seen XRP going down. So the technical analysis that I provide to these guys, I showed them a little bit the 1 minute. I don't want to go into the general chat where I shared the information that I'm looking at as bearish, and then because we have other people that they might don't want to share their name, so just for security reasons I'm not going there. But you have seen due to my previous video as well, I explained it the same thing. I'm not giving you any guys false information or anything. I'm just sharing you what I have seen yesterday and what am I seeing today. And don't get me wrong, it is spot on. As I said though, we can never be 100% sure. So let me rephrase what I just said. I haven't been 100% sure, but it's been so far spot on, the analysis, and I don't want to ramble around with it. So yeah, this is the technical analysis for the XRP. If I see it breaking further down below, it could turn into a bearish momentum, and this is where I'm saying there is no 100% sure that we can actually know where is it heading. We can only guide ourselves where it actually going at the minute. So yeah, so if someone asks me like how what's the percentage that I'm sure, I'm gonna give them exactly the answer, and I'm gonna be like maybe 70%, 80%, because we can't be 100% sure. So due to my analysis, I'm gonna say only 70-80%. I can never go on a YouTube video and say, oh yeah, I'm seeing it like this, like it's gonna go up. I can't go like that, guys. As I mentioned, I want to be truthful, I want to be honest, and I want to have transparency. So I'm never gonna give any fake information or whatsoever. Also, just because I want to share this before we go into the news that I have seen that they were posted 4 hours ago. Again, this is the YouTube channel that I have so far. We have uploaded 6 videos. I have been amazed by the not by the effort, let me find the word exactly, by the let me bring it into a slang word, by the way it looks like. I've been amazed. I have never believed that it actually people will be so much respectful and they will watch the videos. So honestly guys, it's not thousands, and I don't really care about it. I specifically have said that I really do appreciate every single one of you that you have actually watched the videos. You have spent your time to watch the videos, and I can't be more grateful. Like I'm so grateful at this point that since video 1 I've been grateful to every single one of you. So much appreciated, guys. I know it's a hard work, but I'm blessed right now. I feel blessed, and I'm grateful, honestly. So I really do appreciate all of you guys. So far, we haven't received any dislikes or negative comments. So I want to believe that I am doing a great job, and I will continue. And it's all about growing together. And if you guys think that there is something that you wanna add, share your opinion. Let me know what you think I can do way much better, and we'll fix it together. So that's how important your opinion it is to me. So let me bring you this now. So if you guys want to subscribe, there you go. Hit the description button down below and hit the bell notification so you can see and receive new videos that they're coming on YouTube. Also, if you would like to like the video, if you like the video, again, hit the like button down below, and if you don't, hit the dislike button down below and let me know how we can make and what exactly we can make much better to deliver a way more better content. So there we go. Again, I appreciate every single one of you guys. There we go. That's the YouTube, that's the XRP analysis, and there we go for the news 4 hours ago. So the title says Trump Trade Advisor, Trump's tariff rates pretty much set, and you can see it on a bracket. So US Trade Representative Jameson Greer said in an interview said to Air Sunday that President Trump's newly announced tariff rates are pretty much set. Now, if someone reads that, and when I read that, I was like, okay, so it's a done deal. It's not though. And the public should not expect them to come down in the near future. So you can see how they can manipulate the outcome, right? But the title says pretty much set. Come on, guys, that's what I don't like. So that's why I keep reading it, so we can have transparency. So I don't think they will be in the coming days. Greer said on CBS News, faced the nation when asked whether he expects rates to be negotiated down in the coming days. He said many of the tariff rates announced are set rates pursuant to deals. Some of these deals are announced, some are not. So what are we expecting? Okay. And that's why I've said we can never be 100% sure. Look at that, guys. This can create so much uncertainty right now in the market. And possibly this is why August and September have been, for many, many years, the less profitable months. So others depend on the level of the trade deficit or surplus we may have with the country. Greer continued, so these tariff rates are pretty much set. So does it mean that Donald Trump is not backing out? Does it mean that the other countries are not backing out? Does it mean that we are not going to have negotiations? Does it mean we are not going to have deals? What is going on, right? So I'm basically uncertain myself. So Greer said he expects his phone to be blowing up with calls from international trade leaders wanting to negotiate. Okay, if he expects that, that means then the other countries will want to negotiate, and from that we can see what's going on in the future. So, but Greer suggested the latest tariff announcement will likely be where Trump lands on the issue. There are trade ministers who want to talk more and see how they can work in a different way with the United States. But I think that we're seeing truly the contours, apologies about that, of the president's tariff plan right now with these rates, he continued. So as we can see here, Trump signed an executive order that modified tariff rates for dozens of countries after he had twice delayed plans to implement reciprocal tariffs on other nations. Tariff rates range from as high as 41% on goods from Syria to as low as 10%, the baseline established for all imports. So the executive order states that all imports will face a 10% tariff. The order goes into effect August 7th. Now remember, we've got August 8th, the new an open seat on the Fed's board. Some nations have negotiated separate trade agreements to lock in tariff rates. For example, Indonesia and Thailand agreed to a 19% tariff. South Korea and Japan negotiated deals that included a 15% tariff, and the United Kingdom struck, apologies about that, this is my antivirus, apologies about that, I can't control it, and the United Kingdom struck a deal for a 10% tariff. Certain other nations that have not negotiated deals will face higher rates. Does that mean that the countries that they actually went and negotiate early with Trump, because they showed that, you know what, I want to sit down and negotiate with you, does it mean that Trump kind of like backed down a little bit so we can have an agreement, and then the countries that they kept persuading negotiations, that kind of we can see that, okay, if you don't want to negotiate, you get the maximum tariff. Honestly, this is what I'm getting, guys. Let me know down below the comments, what do you actually guys think, and we can have a debate or anything. Again, this is the news right now. To me, it's uncertainty still. The only certain thing is that the countries that they have ended up in negotiations with US, they received a low percent of tariff. Now the countries that they haven't negotiated, they haven't got any done deal, so they might have like a maximum rate, as we can see, and as we saw, as high as 41% on goods. So these are the news, guys. If you guys want to come on Discord, feel free, drop me your name on comments and I will add you straight away and we can have a debate with the rest of the members. Again, Discord is for free for a limited time and is going to be until we hit a few targets. I have to be honest, right? So I'm saying the thing as it is. But it could be like for free for a year. It could be for free for 2 years. We don't know. We don't know yet, right? Everything is just in process and it's on. I'm really working on it on Discord, on YouTube, on news, on everything, plus my investments and plus my trades and everything. So it's a hard work, but as I said, it's all about putting the effort and deliver. So there you go, guys. These are the news. This is the technical analysis for XRP. I hope you guys like it and I will see you back on the next video. So far, have an amazing weekend and that's it. Yeah, have a good night. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you soon on the next video. Bye bye.